What's up, guys? We are vlogging. We are making
banana oat
yes. We're making banana oatmeal
So
cookie.
in a bowl, you have to put 1.5 cup of oats and then 1 big banana, and you just have to mash it and mix it.
Yes.
And
Bonus ingredient: peanut butter and cinnamon
let's go.
for a tastier cookie. Let's go. We will put
putting.
1 tablespoon of peanut butter.
Thank you, ladies.
Okay. Thank you, Lilis. Baka naman.
Ah!
Maybe. Ano ang English ng baka naman? Maybe.
Cow.
Maybe.
Sure.
There.
Oh, sayang.
What?
Charing. Sige
Ah,
nga.
will we use this again? No.
I just want it.
You go.
Let's
Here.
put cinnamon na.
Wait.
My helper is so slow.
Bakit kasalanan ko? Parang kasalanan ko.
Because I'm setting up the camera in a better angle. Is this a better angle? Can you see? It's
Lamok?
it's
Mosquito?
cockroach.
Oh!
There.
Oh my god. Stop cooking.
Oh my god.
Sprinkle it on the... Baka ma-fall.
Maybe you think of it as chocolate chip.
Oh my god. Okay, where's
Okay,
the
so
cinnamon?
next, we'll put the cinnamon and... Oh, vloggerist. Nice. Sprinkle.
Where is our chocolate chip?
There, is that enough?
Yeah, that's too much.
See?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon may konting oats. Oh, ang bango! It smells very much like cinnamon. Now, it's super sticky.
Yeah, I can
And
mix
we
it.
can make it into a ball.
Mash it. Oh, you mix it and then add some chocolate fountain.
Yes, sir! Another angle. Medyo malikot po yung mga vlogger natin. Para naman makita niyo kami.
Ah, it's touchscreen pala.
Yes! It's voice command also.
Really? Go down. What's the name kasi?
The name is Osmo.
Osmo?
Yes.
You're so mema.
It's true!
Osmo, go!
Tell it to, stop recording. Osmo.
Stop recording.
One more.
Osmo, stop recording.
It cannot understand English, only Korean.
Oh my god.
Osmo! Hajima! Osmo! Genchana? Genchana!
Osmo!
Osmo, Hajima! Yan. Then, we're gonna put chocolate chips. Then, yes.
You need to preheat the...
Is this open na?
I need kutsara.
Oh my god. Let's be generous with the chocolate.
Yes. Do it. Still konti, ha?
Okay, let's go!
Bilis ka usap.
Oh my gosh, it's hard to mix now. Can you see? There. Dun. Wow. Sariling sound effects. Okay.
Stick up to it.
It's not aesthetic.
It is! Hindi.
It's the
It's mukhang cookies naman.
It's the the tausi.
Oo nga.
See? The tausi is also here. The Gen Z sitaw. Hey, this is okay na.
Okay, let's put it here.
Like that?
No. We will not
Can I
agree.
taste this?
Yes, of course. It's hot, okay.
Okay, next step, put it in the air fryer. The magical air fryer. There. So small.
So, we can make all.
I can make all. Ano daw?
I think 3 minutes tapos na agad yan. It's ready.
There's no instructions. 3 minutes? Maybe 10.
I
Huh?
think
I
5
don't
is
know.
enough. Okay. Unang salang. Look.
Wait. Wow, look at that. So sexy. Okay.
Lalagay natin.
10. It's set at 10 minutes. So, while waiting, let's have a room tour. Nagulat po sila lahat. Nagulat sila lahat. So, this is our door. It's made of wood. Not real. It looks wood, but it's not real wood, okay? So, here is our switch. It's covered by Miss Mariel's tower. And here's our shoe rack. Mine and Miss Fran's. And this is our trash can. Lahat na. Mema. Okay, so this is our room. Ta-da! And this is Miss Mariel eating her dinner. And this is Miss Fran doing mekos her laundry. There. So this is our whole room and yeah. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm running out of words, so guys, please like and share and follow us on Instagram. It's yes, my TikTok. I only upload irregularly. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel wherein I upload videos annually. So that's you know what annual means, right? So just be surprised which month and which date of the year will I post. That's why you should turn on your post notification bell. Let's go! I only upload 1 video per year, but it's worth it. It's worth 5 million views. So if this video reaches 10 million views, I will treat everyone in the comment section below.
Yep.
It smells so good. Can you smell it? See? Can you smell it tapos see? Bonak!
Mga bobo!
Let's see. Oh! It's good. More.
Touch it.
More, it's too soft. Nakakaya pa yung mga pinagagawa namin. So, follow us on TikTok. Here is the link. Here. Click here. Click here.
Click me!
To subscribe, click here. How is your dinner? Tell us what your dinner is.
My dinner is chicken tinola.
You should subscribe to her TikTok and YouTube account. It's here. So watch her Shein haul unboxing. Let's go. Worth 1,800 pesos. And that's already 11 pieces of
Items.
clothing. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And earlier, she is practicing her clothes.
Practice is so good. It feels right.
And so, this is Miss Fran's dinner. Since she is on a diet because she is gymming. Because she has been a gym person lately. So, she has to go on a diet. And this is her dinner. This is uncooked tofu and this one is this one is beef with tausi. Do you know what's tausi? The black ones. Yeah. So that is the Gen Z version of sitaw.
Nakakatawa yun.
My gosh, it's so hard to English and it's so embarrassing. I don't want to edit this.
Awas na.
Oh, it's already almost done. And let's see.
Already, ano?
Wow!
crispy.
Yeah. The
I think
ano?
it's over.
Is it over?
Yes, I think.
Yeah. Yes.
Alright.
Look at the chocolate. It already melted.
Okay, it's taking
Nice.
my time Wala.
Nice. How does it taste?
Sarap. Parang isa lang.
So good. Wala na.
The banana is
Ah.
banana.
If... Ooh!
Still hot.
Mmm!
This was good.
Mmm!
Mm.
I like it. Nice.
Delicious. Wow.
Amazing. The flavors are balanced, not overpowering.
Okay, what are the flavors?
The flavors are
Banana.
banana, oatmeal, peanut butter, cinnamon, and the chocolate. And they all taste good together.
Yeah. Cup. Nice, nice.
Recommended.
Speak here.
We will continue the vlog tomorrow. Okay. So watch out. Nagbanta! So make sure to subscribe, click the like button, comment down below your suggestions, and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified of my annual vlog. So that's it for today's video, guys.
See you next year.
See you next year. Bye. Peace out.